This week, I got a video demonstration to add to a course. It looked like this, and I wanted to straighten it. I'm going to show you how I did it. I imported the video to Adobe Premiere Pro and added it to a sequence. I went to the Effects panel and searched for Corner Pin. I dragged that effect to the video. When I select the effect in the Effects Control panel, you'll see blue pins appear on the video's corners. I clicked on the individual corners and dragged them to the position I wanted. The distortion, though, did move the subject of the video near the edge of the screen. So I clicked on the position effect on the effect panel and adjusted the vertical placement. You can do that by typing in numbers, or if you mouse over, it turns into a little arrow and you could scroll left or right to make that adjustment. And then I finished the corner pin adjustments. And that's how I straightened the video out.